Hi bunnies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra, that makes you a rabbit. Thank you so much for listening to my recently released pop album. We have over 5 million views on TikTok for the sound Born to Be Happy Always, so make sure you join the hashtag Born to Be Happy challenge. The Gel to Foam Cleanser is an oil-based gel formula that removes makeup and impurities without stripping the skin. We love that. Gorgeous. Look how foamy it is. That's so great. So I can keep all the pads underneath clean while I pick up this one. Ooh, this is very fresh. Look how beautifully it took off my makeup and look how wonderful my skin looked. Baby got me back. Thanks for tuning in.